Hi everyone, my name is Sophie. Welcome to BagooshieBuilding, Crafting, and Storytelling. Today we are going to draw a bee with a flower. Let's get started. So first, draw an oval shape just beside the middle. Then, when you're done that, draw a little circle for the eye. If you want, you can add another smaller circle and color the rest in, but leave the lower circle white. And draw a little smile. I did mine a little bit wonky, so that's okay. There. Now draw the little antennas. Draw the stripes on the bee. Then color them in. Next, draw teardrop shapes or raindrop shapes like this. Draw a line down through the middle and make it come out the other side where the other wing is overlapping. Then do the same over here. Draw some kind of curvy lines for the rest of the wing. Okay, finish up the other wing by drawing more little curvy lines. Okay, now if you want, you can draw a tiny stinger on the back of it. Okay, we're done our bee. Now, if you want to draw a flower, now's the time. Draw a circle with a little curved line at the bottom to make room for the stem. Then draw the petals like this. If you want to make more detail, then you can add tiny dots on your flower. And then, if you want to, go down here, draw a line at the bottom with kind of a curve going this way. Then, from the bottom of that curve, draw a line up, a little up farther and in. Then a line that goes through there. Another line here, and a line here, and a line here. Then repeat that same thing on the other side. Now we can draw the line here and the line here. Kind of curved lines at the bottom. Then on this part where the stem is in front, we don't have to draw that. All we need to draw is a little line, a little curved line, and a line like this. And then right here on this one, we can draw a curved line and a squiggle. Then let's do this again. Curved line, squiggle line, and line like this. Curved line, wiggle, and big line like that. And then you can just keep doing this on all the flowers, all of the flower petals. I'm gonna turn my paper like this so I can see better when I get to the top. I have all of my coloring supplies in my big box. So, I'm just gonna open this up around the corners. Maybe I'm gonna do yellow with black stripes. I already did this stripe. Okay, so now that our drawing is done, you can take some time and just color in your drawing. Make sure that you take your time coloring and make it look really nice. And it's okay if yours doesn't look exactly right now. Thanks for drawing with me, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye, and please make sure to subscribe or like.